So we have very little food at home. And Elci and I are here in this little Supermercado Jasiana in our neighborhood to buy a couple of things for the rest of the day that we can carry back home with us, because our combi is at the mechanics getting a new clutch and we cannot drive home, we have to walk back home. So these are the kind of things that you find in a small Brazilian market. Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
Thank you, Lord. Ooh, look at those. My favorite, my favorite.
Oh, I was thinking about making a stroganoff, a vegetarian stroganoff.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, but I think I have everything there.
Do you have the vegetables?
Yes.
Since it's going to be a vegetarian stroganoff?
Yes. I have harder palm. I have mushrooms.
Mushrooms?
Yeah.
You have mushrooms? Mushrooms.
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 Champignon. We say
Yeah,
this here.
yes,
Champignon.
champignon. That sounds
it's
even
easy
better.
to say.
Champignons, okay.
I pick up 2 papayas.
Wow, they've got hydroponics. Look at that, guys.
Gluten-free. Oh, maybe the milk is good?
No, it would be somewhere else.
It does. See, soy milk.
Oh, soy milk, yes, okay. You want me to read for you?
I brought my glasses. My super view.
Your super view glasses?
It's stuck in my pocket. Come on. Okay.
Ta-dang.
Ta-da! I don't drink all the time, but I'll take it now.
I like that guy.
I prefer almond milk.
Isn't that almond milk? What is this?
No, this is soy milk.
Oh, okay. I think soy is, I read somewhere that soy is bad for you.
For men especially, but for us sometimes we should have because it has hormones.
Okay,
For
so
us
I'll
it's-
just remind me not to drink this. Because I'm not ready to croak
Yeah,
just
it
yet.
is girls' hormone.
Oh, I definitely don't want to drink that.
Otherwise your boobs start growing.
Oopsie daisy, I'm gonna be wearing Elci's bras pretty soon. Oopsie daisy.
Oh, this is what I was looking for. Não transgênica.
Ah,
So
okay.
that's important.
Cool, cool. Very good idea.
I forget to buy some spices. I stay here trying to remember what is missing and I say, I don't remember. And I arrive home and I say, oh, that's what I needed.
Why don't you buy one of each
Oh,
and we'll just
do you
forget
like
about paying
this?
the rent this month?
Like this. Paprika picante.
Anything that says picante, you know I love it.
Oh,
right?
but this has a hole.
Oh, we don't want that.
No, it has to be one of this.
Wait, maybe they'll give us a discount because there's a hole.
Now, come on, Mr. Indian.
That's,
No.
no, what do you think? This is like half as much as the other one. Looks like somebody made this hole and just took a spoonful.
Oh, I'm gonna buy this to make the
Right.
the repellente. Remember the repellente?
Actually, we already have Heppalenchi at home.
No, but this
When
is
we
the natural one. Okay.
It's like you don't have enough to do, right? You're going to
Forget
make
about-
mosquito repellente with that. You don't have enough to do? You have a lot of stuff to do still.
Oh, this is good for keep the job happening every day.
Oh, you mean in the poop department?
Yes.
Let's buy 2 of those. Let's buy 2 of those for sure. I think we're both arriving
but
at a...
they are charging 15 reais,
Oh,
14.99.
forget about it. I'll just eat a mango.
No way. What is that?
I'll just eat a mango
Yes.
for 2 reais.
So I think that's it.
Do you know that if you eat a lot of papaya and a lot of mangoes, it really helps down there. Really helps.
You like pickles, right?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's
Do
buy
you
a
want?
bottle. Yeah. That with the main course, it kind of adds just the right amount of, not spice, what's the word I'm looking for? Like tanginess. What's the word? Tanginess.
It is like a lemon
Yeah,
property.
yeah, it's got like a sour taste. Really tasty. Like pickled vegetables. That's the word I was looking for. Pickled vegetables. I come before you today. There's just one thing that I've got to say.
There is just one thing that
There is just one thing that I've got to say. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. Elsie's a very good singer. I'm okay. And actually, not okay. I'm really bad.
You're okay. You just have to train.
Elsie's a professional singer, so you can tell the difference, right? For all you've given to me, there's just something that I've got to see. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord.
Yeah. What happens is sometimes it's not your turn, and then you cannot reach, so you stay halfway. That's what happens. But
Yeah.
you can sing in your.
Yeah. That one doesn't have a price or something. Want to still buy it?
I need it.
Não cadastrado.
It's just because it's not on the system.
Ah, okay. For all that you've done for me, I can't seem to find the melody. I can't seem to find the melody. Thank you, Lord.
For all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord.
Hola, bon dia.
Be careful, this is higher.
Okay.